Honestly, this is a big challenge that property managers face, where they're tackled with one-way communication systems from both the tenants in terms of complaints on a regular basis, as well as from the ownership group. So one way that we combat this and I guess support our clients overall is with our live tenant requests. And how this impacts our property managers that we work with is it supports them with tenants having information on what's happening across the property with live building updates, but also the ability to make requests if they notice, for example, a spill in certain areas, let's say the lobbies, the common areas, the washrooms. And what that does is it notifies iRestify, and we manage that entire process and we have it backed and tracked overall. So the property manager doesn't have to spend time worrying and managing this entire process, and can present this data that we've built up over time to the ownership group, solving two in one and encompassing the all-in-one approach with iRestify. In addition to that, the property manager also has all of the data that's built up over time since service launch with our dashboard. And what that allows the property manager to show with respect to ownership groups or different asset strategies is the data overall with respect to the service details, the performance, and potentially complaints. One area where it's most beneficial for the ownership group is complaints potentially from walkthroughs, where they can pull up information from 1 week ago all the way to 3, 4, 5 months ago, and encompassing all of the service details across the board. So we support both property managers on the tenant front as well as the ownership group as well. In addition to